Behind me is my newest listing. It's in one of the most sought after communities in Maine, Cape Elizabeth. Not only is this home only minutes to the local beaches, it's only 10 minutes to Portland, 30 minutes to downtown Kennebunk. It has a great fenced in backyard, and all of this on a dead-end street. Houses in Cape Elizabeth don't last long, and with access directly from your backyard to Robinson Woods, this home has even more appeal. Give me a call today for a private showing.